Hey guys, it's me, Jada, and so it's summer. You most likely want to wear makeup in the summer. All right, sounds easy. It's just makeup, same as every other season. Nope. Summer makeup, it can be tricky with the heat and the expectedness to go out and actually do something with your life. Well, today I'm here to tell you some tips and tricks for summer makeup. So let's get started. Summer makeup is just weird. You want to have glowy skin, but not be super oily. What the heck is up with that? To get glowy skin and matte skin, here's what you do. Take any sort of primer, whether it is liquid or spray or whatever really. Mix in some highlighter in it, whether it's powder or liquid highlighter, it really does not matter. And just use that underneath your foundation. This is the e.l.f. Aqua Primer Mist, and I mixed in some highlighter in it, and now it just makes my skin really glowy before I even apply any foundation. So I'm gonna just rub this all over my face. In summer, you want some coverage because you might be sunburned. You don't want to look cakey because it's summer and whatever. Ooh, yes, look at that glow. I'm just gonna take any light coverage-ish foundation, and this is the Maybelline Instant Age U1 foundation, and I'm just gonna apply this where I would apply concealer, but it matches my skin, so it gives me coverage and doesn't look super freaking white. I don't freaking know what I'm even saying. I'm sorry. So just apply a little bit of light coverage foundation under your eyes, down your nose, on your forehead, chin, and a teeny bit on your cheeks. Then take a dampened beauty blender and just pat out your face and blend it all out. So, it's summer.
We know it's summer. Oh my gosh.
It's hot and humid. Your skin's gonna get oily, or at least a little shiny. So, you wanna set all this down with powder, even though the goal is to look glowy. But before you do that, 2 words, liquid highlighter. So you just apply this where you'd apply normal highlighter.
Opposite your cheekbones, keep your eyes on bridge, and on your cupid's bow.
You can also blend this out with your damp sponge. Look at that glowing queen. Oh yes, girl, get it. Take a sponge and some powder and just put it underneath your eyes and wherever else you get oily. And then you can just blend it in with a powder brush. And if your skin gets extra oily or there's some places that just aren't matte, you can take a little pressed powder and just put it around those places. Alright, for cheeks. Obviously, since you want to be glowing, you gotta get that highlight poppin'. And this highlight, you want to be peachy golden. And the perfect one I found is Becca Champagne Pop. And just take that on a highlighting brush and just blend it into your skin. Just put it in the same places that you put the liquid highlighter, and it'll really accentuate those. With that blush, you want a peachy pink corally colored blush. And for bronzer, you're gonna want a warm bronzer and just apply it. It's just bronzer again. Blend everything out nicely. For eyes, you can either go super natural and just put a little bit of bronzer in your crease, or you can get fancy with some eyeshadow. I'm going to be doing the eyeshadow look using the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. All these brands are coming out with warm toned palettes, so you shouldn't have to look very hard to find one, and you'll probably have one in your collection. Take some eyeshadow primer just like normal and just apply that to your lids. Oh shoot, that was so much. Whoops. And just set down your lid with some sort of just creamish colored. I'm setting my lid down with the color White Peach. In your crease, you're gonna want a warm brown color. So in this, I'm just taking puree, just popping that in my crease. On your outer corner, you're gonna want even warmer color. So I'm taking the color Summer Yum and just putting that on my outer corner. And then just blending this all out. Then to get some nice shimmer on the lid, I'm taking the color Luscious and just spraying that down with some setting spray and just putting that on my lids. Then just lightly blending this out. Take some shimmery color. I'm using the color Nectar and just highlight underneath your brow bones and in the inner corner of your eye. Then take your warm brown and just put it on your lower lash line. If you want, you can top this look off with some eyeliner. Then just do your brows normally. Then, just like in every tutorial, pile on a crap load of mascara. And to complete your look, you're gonna want some sort of peachy lip color. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach Lip Oil lip gloss thing, whatever, in the color Peach Tease. And there you go. There's your finished makeup look. Okay, just kidding, your makeup look is not complete. You have shoulders. You're gonna want to highlight and bronze them. Yep, take a generally dark-ish highlighter for your skin and just take a brush and just put it on. Put it on those collarbones of yours. Your other shoulder. You can also do this with bronzer. So I'm taking this Hoola bronzer, which is kind of dark for me, so put on that bronzer. You can also do this on your ears because, you know, no ear needs to be left behind, shielded from the sun, from all that hair. So don't forget the highlighter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. I'm trying to get some subscribers, so you should help me out with that. I actually try, so, you know, love you, thanks, bye.